So most people think that getting monetized on YouTube takes forever. But what if I told you that in just 7 days, you could go from 0 to 4,000 watch hours of watch time using just your Google and YouTube alone? Guys, there is no but on this, and there is no shortcut. All you need is just your smart strategies, okay? And these smart strategies that you are going to use, most creators don't even know that these strategies exist at all. So this is going to be a bonus for you. Now, you need to stick with me to the end, because what you're about to learn could change your content journey forever. Now, before we dive in, I want you to know one thing. I want you to understand the monetization requirements. Like, for you to get monetized on YouTube, there are a lot of requirements which you must attain to. Okay. And one of those requirements is that you must get your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Okay, no community strikes. You don't need any strike on your channel at all. And also, you need a linked AdSense account. Now, is there any challenge on this? Now, most creators hit a plateau and get stuck around maybe 100 to 300 subs, or rather 500 to 1,000 watch hours. That is where your Google powered growth can actually start skyrocketing your reach. So you need to do all you can in order to get to this point. So let us go straight to the strategy of the day. Now, one of the number one strategy is your Google AMPed keyword formula. You understand? Now, why does this Google AMPed keyword formula works? It works because YouTube is owned by Google, meaning that if your videos are optimized for Google search, they can actually rank on both platforms. Now, this is how you can use this Google AMPed keyword this thing. Number one is to find a searchable question using your Google. Understand? Now, use Google search bar, maybe autocomplete, and also, you can go ahead to type the niche which you are into or which you are looking into. Maybe you are hoping to start creating content around it, okay? That is it. Then after you must have done that, go ahead to pick a low competition, high search keyword. You know that there are some niches that are saturated. So you need to go for all those, or you can actually go for niches that people are not yet into it. Understand? So when you must have find this, go ahead to use your free tools like your Google Trends, Uber Suggest, or Answer the Public, understand, in order to get ideas. Then also, when you must have gotten this, go ahead to title your video like a blog post. Understand? So that is it. And also include your keywords in your first two lines of your video descriptions and also in your tag. Now, this is a bonus tip. You need to create short videos, okay? Short videos under 60 seconds using the same titles for YouTube Shorts so that they can rank faster. A lot of us don't even use short videos on our channels, but then don't even try to underestimate the power of short videos. You know that short videos helps your video to gain visibilities, and also it gives massive subscribers. But then the only disadvantage in short videos is that short videos cannot get to that watch hour. So that is the only thing there. Now, strategy number 2 is your Google search plus YouTube. You understand? Which will give you the fast traffic loop. Now, this can actually work because Google rank its own platform higher. Yes, and also embedding your YouTube video in a Google site helps index it faster and provide, backlink strength when it comes to your content. Now, this is a step-by-step ways you can actually go through this or navigate through this. First of all, go to your search or Chrome browser and type site.google.com, and also create a free Google site. Then number 2 is to write a short blog styled post about 400 to 600 words that solves the same problem You understand? Your video does. Then also go ahead to embed your YouTube video inside the title. Yes. Then share the link on maybe any of the social media platforms of your choice, your Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, WhatsApp status, or broadcast list, anywhere you want to. Is your business. Okay, so make sure to also use your Google Docs in order to draft your post, then copy and paste into the site. You understand? Google recognizes the formatting very, very fast. So this is strategy number 3. You need to also have a 3-day watch time boosting method. Now, why does this method work? It works because the YouTube algorithm favors video with high watch duration and velocity in the first 72 hours. Exactly. Now, these are the steps you can actually follow for this strategy number 3. Number 1 is to create a 7 to 10 minute video that delivers your massive values, right? Then ask your friends or families or your community to watch the full video. You understand? Make sure that they comment, reasonable comment actually. Yes. Also encourage them to like and share your videos. That way it is going to help to rank. Then also go ahead to post it in Google indexable platforms like your Google Blogger, Quora Answers with embedded links, and also Medium articles and all of that. So that is it. So use your Google URL inspection tool via your search console in order to index your blog faster with video link inside of it. So this is strategy number 4. Use your SEO tag. The use of SEO tag cannot be underrated. Now, the reason why your SEO tags works is because YouTube tag helps the algorithm to understand your content, and Google Analytics also helps you to optimize the viewer's behavior funnel. Now, this is how it goes. Use tools like rapid tags or TubeBuddy to stack tags, you understand, with different variations. Or you can actually install your Google Analytics via your link website or blog. Monitor which location or devices and topics that are performing higher in that your video. Then also adjust your thumbnail, titles, and upload times based on the data. You understand? Then go ahead to link your YouTube channel to a Google, maybe any Google website of your choice. That is it. Then strategy number 5 is to leverage on Google Trends for viral timing. How can you do this? Now, mind you that trending content index on Google surfaces on YouTube faster. Exactly. Especially if you act early. There are some niches that when you notice that it is trending, it is always, or you are always advised to create content immediately. For example, during the period that a new Catholic pope was inaugurated, if you watch, most people that actually created videos based on that pope inauguration during that period of time, they went viral. One of my channel was among those channel that got a viral video because I also utilized that opportunity. So when you see a trending topic, please try to hop on it at that particular time, because there are chances of you gaining visibility and virality in your channel as well. So don't play on this. Now, this is a step-by-step way for you to actually know which niche or topic that is trending in any part of the world, most especially in the first 6 countries of the world, all these US, UK, Germany, Italy, and all of that. First of all, you need to go to your Google Trends, filter or type for your look out for your region. Example, maybe if you want to search on trending topic in Nigeria or trending topic in UK, US, and all of that, type it. Then choose the category. You understand? Your categories can be if you are into tech or into beauty or education or all of those things. Then spot rising queries in your niche and create videos before they peak. For example, if YouTube Shop monetization is trending upward, make a video today on it. Exactly. and don't even waste time on it. You understand? So that is it. Then strategy number 6 is the Google Doc League magnet. Why does this work? Google Doc can be shared across social medias and embeds video link that drives clicks. These are the step-by-step ways you can actually embrace these Google Docs. Number 1 is to create a helpful guide in Google Doc. For example, a free 5 tools to grow on YouTube. Then go ahead to link your video within the docs. Then post it to either your Telegram group, Facebook groups, or your WhatsApp broadcast list. Then also do what to mention in your video in it. Then check the link in the description to tell your viewers to check the description box in order to get the link to the full video. You understand? Now, that is it. Then strategy number 7 is the comment funnel with Google backed engagement. Now, YouTube algorithm track comments as a sign of quality. Driving engagement through Google support platforms increase relevance. So there are some people that don't there's this community that I belong to. Each time the person posts video and comes to the WhatsApp community to announce, he or she will tell us, don't comment, don't comment. You understand? And I'll be like, if people don't comment on your video, how do you want the algorithm to know that there is engagement going on? For goodness sake, the algorithm loves engagement. When people engage, when people comment on your video, when people like your video, there is a signal that it is sending to the algorithm. And what is this signal all about? That your video is worth watching and worth pushing forward to other person. And that is where your impression and impression click-through rate comes in. So stop telling people not to comment on your video or you turning off your comment section. That is not really advisable. It is not at all. So embrace it. Now use this plan. Post your video link in 3 to 5 relevant Quora answers per day. You understand? Then go ahead to create a Google form quiz or poll that relates to your video and put the link in the description. Then go ahead to ask your viewers to comment their answers in your video comment section. That is where your CTA, that is your call to action, comes in. Okay? So take the first 30-second quiz below. Tell your audience what you really want them to actually do on your video. Then strategy number 8 is the Google Slides plus Pinterest strategy. These are other ways or other places where you can actually get insights and ideas. Okay, now slides are indexed in Google's and Pinterest drive long-term passive traffic. So go ahead, make sure that, or you can actually create a Google slide deck title, you understand, using either your Pinterest or whatever. Then you can actually go there and be pushing out your content in that platform. It also helps to grow your channel. Now, if you have actually watched and made it this far, you are not just a content creator guy. Yes, you are a strategist. And I want you to remember that. So getting monetized isn't about luck. Some persons think that, okay, this person started YouTube 2 months ago and boom, he or she is monetized in this week. Some people will tell you, the person is lucky. It's a lie. It is not all about the luck. Yes, luck comes in. But then when you don't have that luck, forget it. If the algorithm does not recognize you, does not recognize your video and give you that viral moment, forget luck. There is nothing like luck on this YouTube. There is nothing like anybody that is deceiving you or telling you that it is all about luck. The person is a liar. He's a liar. He's a big liar. It's just the algorithm that is doing the work for us. So long as you are pushing out good content, the algorithm knows what to do. So it is all about mastering the system already built around you by Google and YouTube. So you need to implement even 3 of these strategies. And trust me, you're going to start seeing real momentum. Okay? Do all these 8 strategies and just like you might just hit monetization in a matter of days, depending on how strategic you are. And how the algorithm or YouTube finds your video or your channel. Okay, so if you are really really serious about getting monetized fast, please do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because I always drop